This is a great home, investment property, or a little of both. The 2 bedrooms suites upstairs is perfect for a roommate situation. Gated community with pool, clubhouse and more. Maintenance includes cable, internet and building exterior. Very desirable location with shopping, dining and easy access to I-75 for an easy drive to Miami, Boca, airport and more. Property is occupied and available to move in October 1st. AC new in 2018, washer and dryer stackable new in 2019, with laminate floors. Pet friendly. You can have 2 dogs up to 100 pounds total. See Saturday and make an offer. It will not last.